To use the Shopify AI Logo Maker, first head over to shopify.com/tools/logo-maker. Now inside here, you can make a logo you love in minutes. So you can just type in your brand name and start designing. If you're not sure about your brand name, you can go to ChatGPT. You can also get inspiration by clicking over here. It's going to take you over to this page, which is also a free tool by Shopify. So you can generate an AI business name from here. I'm just going to go back, and in the brand name, I'm going to type in a sample name like this and start designing. And it's going to give you this option which says, for more tailored results, choose the industry that best describes this brand. And it's going to give you this page where it says, pick your favorite and start customizing. They look really minimal and I like this one. So I'm going to click on this edit logo here. Now I can choose a font for it. Something like this looks cool. You can select fonts from here. Decorative, handwritten, that way. And on the left hand side, you got name. So you can change the brand name from here. Slogan as well. So I can type something and it's going to get added below our name. Now on the left hand side, you also got the color. So you can change the color of your brand logo like this. Now this looks really good. Now they also got the layouts. So I can change the layout like this. This just changes the color. I'm not sure what they mean by layout. Changes. Okay, there's this kind of just changes the color, but there's also another thing that I saw, that this part gets connected to the first part. So that could be the thing they were talking about in choose your layout. You can see here that it gets connected, but I still like the first one. Now you can finalize it by clicking on this button. Now you can give them your email and they're going to send this logo over to your email. Now it says that it's sent and your logo is waiting in your inbox. You can download it right from here and you can check your inbox in your email and it's going to be there as well. So I'm just going to download it from here, and it gets downloaded like in a zip file. You can go inside it and I can see that they only provide the PNG file of your logo. They do not provide an SVG or vector file. So that's it. This is how to use the logo maker inside Shopify. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.